Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Saturday, September 3rd. Right now it's about 4:30 p.m. For this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to install a outdoor outlet kit. I got this from Walmart for 24 bucks roughly. So it looks something like this. And it comes with this housing directly for the outside. The one that I bought, it's white. If you want the black one, traditional color, is probably like save $2, like 21, 22 bucks. This white one is 24. It came with the cover with the insulation inside. It also came with the outlet itself, the circuit outlet. So it's a complete kit for 24 bucks. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to set it up. First of all, it came with all these kits. Obviously I was trying to open it. And this is going to be mounted in front of my house. So first thing I'm doing right now is taking out all the stuff. I have these two small plates right here that I'm taking it out. Obviously the screws and then the cover as well. This we got the background noise because my mom's talking. So there's three ways to install it. You got opening on the top, bottom, and the back. Mine will be coming directly from the back, the wire. Oh, excuse me, directly from the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, the top. It came with this cover, all white, so it's pretty fancy. So I'm going to twist top and bottom. Ooh, excuse me. So yeah, I'm going to use the power tool a little bit. It'll be faster. There we go. Tight. There we go. Just lightly tie up. Next thing is obviously these plates. You could either do it from the top like that. Oh, I'm sorry, my finger's blocking it. Like this, or you could do it from the outside. It does have an instruction for you. I'm more of emoji type of person, so I just look at the picture, and it's telling me to do it from the side. So okay, I guess I could be doing it from the side. Also, the question is how you plan to mount this. Either you plan to mount it like top like this, or you want to mount it horizontal against the wall. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to mount this, but I will look at when I take this out. I am going to look at it and see which way I like more. But in the meantime, I'm going to do it like this. Let me install these two and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so I got this mounting point on. I will say it's kind of hard to install this because the screws tip itself is not pointy and it doesn't have a thread on these holes. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't have any thread, so I had to force it in. This part's still kind of loose, you could see, but it won't be coming out. This part I was able to tie up. Some of the screws is kind of stripped. I don't know if you could see, it's not perfect. So anyway, I haven't sure if I'm going to mount it horizontal or vertical yet. But next thing is that you're going to install this into the middle, and then after that they came with these template that you could remove insulation to go over the top of it. But anyway, let me go show you the outside really quick. Okay guys, so we currently are outside of the house. I got the stuff right here. So I have this to check if there's any electricity coming out, if the outlet is on. So obviously there's nothing right now. Let me check the end point of it. It's green. If it's red, it'll indicate, oh, there's power right here. Oh, so it's on, huh? Quickly check. No, it's hot. This is the ground wire. The black is the hot. The white is the neutral. Let me pause it. Let me go turn the outlets, the on and off. So I just turned the power on right now. So this thing should be live right now. There we go. You hear that? The whole thing is live right now. It should be completely live. This we got the pipe. I'm still working on something. Do you hear that? So anyway, I'm just going to turn this off really quick. Okay, so if you guys wondering if you don't have one of these, what can you do? The only best way is, I guess you just have to turn the breaker switch off for the whole house, just for the safety. So anyway, I don't really have a cutter right now, so I'm just going to use the scissors to cut this. In terms of the length, I don't need that long, so I'll probably just cut about this much. Roughly, I'm just ball pointing it. I'm going to, anyway, I need both my hand. Okay, quickly show you guys. So I already cut it. If you wonder why I left it so long, because it's always better to have longer wire than short, because in case if you cut it too short, if you don't have enough, that might not be good. So I just want to be safe and have extra. And then the way how it works is this is going to go through the metal, and you know what, I think I might install horizontal. Yeah, perfect, like this, like that, horizontal. So right below that, right in the middle. Yeah, let's quickly mount this first to the wall. So I'm going to quickly mount this to the wall like that, against the wall. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Get this move over a little bit. Yeah, against the wall. Okay, yeah, that's the plan, guys. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, guys. So first of all, they did not provide any screws to mount it against the wall. So I actually found these two that has a pointing tip. So I think this will be easier to drill into the wall. So I'll be using these two. I'll show you guys after I'm finished. Okay, the bracket housing is completely settled in. Now next thing is we got mount this in, and then the extra wire I will twist around and then hide it inside the box. So let's strip some of the cable right now. Okay, quick update for you guys. So I actually stripped this cable for the back so that I could get more wire. This is the copper wire. It's a ground wire. I mean, they all copper wire, but this is ground wire. And there's two ways to ground this. Either you want to ground it to the outlets itself, which if you guys see the green part, this is for the ground. This is for the neutral, and this is for the hot. The black one's for the hot. So black to black, green to green. I mean green to the ground, and then white to the clear side. This is actually waterproof, water resistant, I guess they call it. The problem with this one is well, it's not a problem. They also have a ground in here, if you see the green right there. So I'm planning to ground it to the housing itself. Well, this ground wire is not long enough, so I got some extra copper wire where I'm just going to attach to this one. I'll show you guys really quick after I'm done. Another thing I want to quickly show you is that I made a hook on this ground wire, and the hook that I made is facing right, I guess, would you call this, like that. The reason why is that when I screw this on, this thing will go towards the direction of tightening up the screws, in which this is going to make this thing tighter. I don't know if that makes sense. So pretend like if that's the screws, you put it on like that and then put the screws over it, and when the screw turns white, it'll grip onto the metal wire, copper wire itself, and making it tight. But if you turn it this way, and when you tighten it up, it's just going to get loose. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but just try it that way. Just want to quickly show you guys. So that's what I mean about twisting on the same direction of the screws. So when you tighten this up, they'll clamp the screws tighter. So look at the same thing with this one. I'm going to do it on this side, and then when you tighten it up, the screws itself will tighten the wire up completely. So don't do it on the opposite side. Okay guys, update. All the wiring is done. Black to black, ground to ground. I actually put 2 ground. So one ground is from the housing, and then another ground directly to the outlet itself. This is the neutral white one. Yeah, that's it. So right now we just got to hide all the wire inside and screw it up. Okay, that's it. I got this in. I just gotta put the insulation and then a cover on, and that's it. Let me finish that as well. So next thing we're gonna do is put this over it. I gotta take these metal out. You could just push it down on it and just pop out directly. Oops, my goodness. Just push in on it. There we go. How's that, guys? So this is going to act as a insulation cover over it. I gotta take this metal hose out as well. Okay, so after that is done, you put in the cover. I'm going to face this way. I really don't want it this way. I felt like when it rains, it'll just go over the top and then float down like that. I don't think this place is going to get any rain on anyway, but still, just in case. So I'm going to put it like that. And to install this, you just have to open this cover. Oh, yeah, it's actually spring loaded. So when you open it, and there's a screws right in the middle. You guys see it? That's the one to put it in. Hey guys, sorry, my battery ran out, so I had to charge the battery. But anyway, pretty much it's done. Looks good. The only complaint that I have is, you know, the screws right there, it's not white. It's just regular screws. So I felt like they should have a white screws on the tip. But yeah, overall everything looks good. I also didn't like this mounting point that it's not white, because since everything is white ready, but you got a piece of metal standing out that it's not. But other than that, everything's good. All right, I'll see you guys.